Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use image to text option on the designs.ai website. So let's get it started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, we have to create our account, and after creating our account, we need to go to the dashboard section, and after going to the dashboard section, you will be able to see the option image to text. So we have to click on the image to text option, and we have to open this in a new window as we can use this easily. So let's go to this. So as you can see, now we are here. Now simply what we have to AI image to text option. So simply we have to write the text here. As you can see, now simply you have to choose the social media post or the brand kit or the short story or the blog article. You have to choose that, as you can see, and then simply you have to write the query. And as you can see, POV first person tune, you have to do these all corrections, and after doing these all corrections, simply you just have to click on the generate. So if you want to upload an image, you have to click on the upload, and then you need to upload that image. So I'm going to download section, and then we have to choose the image. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and then we have to click on the generate. And after clicking on the generate, it will take few seconds or few minutes in generating that, and after that you will be able to see the result. So in this way you can use the image to text option. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you guys in the next video.